Hello peer mentors and mentees. Welcome to Storybird. This will be a quick tutorial on how to sign into your account and create a Storybird based on your assignments. The first thing you'll do when you come to storybird.com is to click on the sign in. Once you click there, go ahead and type in your username that your teacher has given you along with your temporary password and click sign in. You'll be taken to the home page for you, but click on class, and this is where you'll see all the assignments that will be listed for your comprehension skills that you will be working on in your literacy program. The first one we have here is sequencing. This will give you a brief overview of what's expected when creating the Storybird for the skill of sequencing. Click on Start a Storybird for this assignment. You may choose any type of theme. I chose this theme right here, a forest with a little girl, almost looking like a Little Red Riding Hood. So I will go back to my unpublished Storybirds, and I titled it The Little Lost Girl. When you click on Create, you'll be brought to a page looking similar to this. Notice how I have pictures all down here in the sub bar at the bottom. You can click and drag the pictures to a blank canvas. So I can go all the way to the end of the book and then click Add a Page, and I can perhaps click this right here and drag it over, and then that is what it'll look like, and you can type your text right here. So I can actually go back to the other pages. Here's my cover, a Storybird, The Little Lost Girl. Right here I can type in, there once was a beautiful cottage in the middle of the forest. A little girl lived there with her family. Then just go to the next page, and then the next one. And then I would type in whatever skill I was working on, making sure that I would follow the rubric that would talk about the skill, the comprehension skill. This one would be sequencing, so I'd want to make sure to use the words first, second, last, or next, and finally. Make sure you use those transition words. And then I would just tell the story and make sure that it made sense and everything was in order. Once I was happy with my story, I could just click Save, and then that would just save it untitled and let me come back to it later. I could also click Save and Close, or publish the Storybird. So once you publish it, you're going to have to put a summary to what the story is about, and then make sure that you list what assignment that this story was created for. And then just click Publish. I'm not ready to publish, so I'm just going to cancel it. But once you publish it, your teacher will receive it and be able to grade it. Thank you for watching this session of a tutorial on creating your Storybird. Happy story creating!